Check out this convertible here at Unique Specialty and Classics. It's a 1965 Chevrolet Malibu convertible. Some SS badging on it. I'd consider this an SS tribute, not representing it as the real deal. Although it does have a era correct 283 V8 underneath the hood that's paired up with a 3-speed manual transmission, shifter on the column. You get a good look at the chrome grille, headlight surrounds, the bright work up front, looking good. I'd say this color is similar to crocus yellow, which would have been available back in 1965. Also equipped with AC, although I've not had the compressor kick on and off. It seems like all the components are there though. And power windows. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pictures. SS wheel covers. You can also call us 507-386-1726. We take a look down the passenger side. You see the panel's nice and straight in this car. And paint shows well, has a nice shine to it. Notice it's very clean along the wheel wells. You'll be able to see that in the still pictures. Black vinyl interior, bench seat up front. Very stock looking dash with the exception of the aftermarket radio. Black vinyl top, that is a manual top, goes up and down easily. Coming to the rear, you can see some more of the SS badging. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. See dual exhaust, chrome and bright work on the rear of the car. Also looks good. A few things are going to come with this. There are a couple parade boots. Fair shape. That one does have a little bit of a hole in it there, a little discoloring on this one. But I will include those and put those in the trunk to go with it. And then there is an extra 2-barrel carb here. It looks like maybe the original master cylinder. And seat belts. If you want to install seat belts, I'm going to put those back in the car also. So those can go with it. This car just came out of long-term ownership by the same person, having it nearly 26 years. Take your time looking through those still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Take a look at the underside. You'll be able to see the floor pans. How the underside looks, top up, top down pictures. We're also going to put the top up here at the end of the video after I get a chance to start it up. Let you hear it run. We'll check out the engine bay. We'll put that top up. And then remember to stick around till the very end of this video. And I'm going to take this car for a drive so you can see how it goes down the road. Take you for a virtual ride, if you will. Vinyl seats, free of rips, tears, holes. Also in nice shape. As well as the carpeting, door panels. Power windows do all work. I'll have those up with the convertible top. Show you how they are. Let's go ahead and fire this up. First thing you notice, oil pressure gauge goes up. That was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect that temperature gauge to be moved at all. Amp meter, I don't know if you can see those, and fuel gauge. All the gauges appear to be working, with the exception of the clock in the center there. And radio also works. I've not played around with that before. Radio working. Dash looks good. Door closes and fits nice. The 283 sounds good. A deep exhaust note. Speaking of which, let's go check it out. I'm going to pause this a second. Let's get this hood open. Check out that engine bay and we'll take a peek at the top. There's a good look at the underside of the hood. There it is. Again, era correct 283 V8. Looks pretty stock underneath this hood. And AC. There's a battery disconnect when it's in storage or in between drives. Sounds good. Looks good underneath there. Like I said, pretty stock looking engine bay. All right, now for the convertible top. I'm going to shut it off, close up the hood, get this top up. Let's check that out, and we'll wrap up this video. And here it is with the top up. So manual top, folds up easy. With one person, nice tight fit above the windshield. Black vinyl. Appears that it has been replaced not too long ago. Looks like it is in newer condition. I rolled the side windows up too, so we can see how those fit. Have not noticed any rips, tears, holes. Rear window, nice and clear. And the passenger side. No rips, tears, holes over here either. Side glass up. I think it fits pretty well. And again above the windshield. So convertible top, nice shape also. 1965 Chevrolet Malibu convertible. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pictures. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1965 Chevelle convertible. This is a 3 on the tree manual transmission. A little bit of play in the steering. Very smooth running Chevrolet. Easy to shift. We do have the top down today. Radio in the dash. That does work well. Windshield wipers work. The blower motor also works on this car. Speedometer is functioning well. Fuel gauge is reading 1/8 of a tank. Between 1/4 and 1/8 of a tank. Our battery gauge does show charging. It's above half on the gauge. The coolant temperature is still showing cold. That may not work. It hasn't moved yet. Oil pressure is almost 60. That's really good. If I let go of the wheel, this car doesn't pull to either side. It stays pretty much where you put it. Very nice seat upholstery in this car. Bench seat. Brakes work well. They do feel like manual brakes, but they work as they should. This car corners also as it should for a 65 Chevrolet. Pretty good get up and go when you get up in the RPMs on this motor. Nice smooth ride. Great road tripping car. 1965 Chevelle. Take a look at UniqueClassicCars.com.